Hey there, quick review on this O'Lanley bath mat. This thing is impressively plush. I've reviewed quite a few different bath mats, and this I think is actually going to be my favorite. With some bath mats, you see the micro fleece material, and it's just not thick enough, and it doesn't give continuous coverage, so you can see the mat pad underneath and stuff like that. This mat is extremely plush. It's got complete coverage, number one. So it looks excellent. The mixture of the colors looks excellent all throughout. But then whenever you actually go to step on this, it is just going to be really nice to step on with bare feet. It is very, very plush. The material is extremely soft. And you can just see right there. That's what you want to step on whenever you get out of the shower or bathtub. So excellent product. Here on the back, we've got a full rubber mat. So any water that is spilled out onto this is going to stay above that rubber surface. With it being so plush, it's going to absorb a ton of water, no problem. So it's going to protect your floor underneath, feel great stepping on, looks great. I mean, what more could you want? So really nice product here with this O'Lanley bath shower rug.